If x equals to 2 minus root 3, then the value of x square plus 1 by x and x square minus 1 by x is x equals to 2 minus root 3. So 1 by x equals to 1 upon 2 minus root 3. Rationalize this. Means denominator should be 1. So multiply with conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate means if there is minus over here, this is plus. So multiply this. It becomes 2 plus root 3 upon this becomes a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So 4 minus 3 and this is 2 plus root 3. So you have got 1 by 1 upon x equals to 2 plus root 3. Now x plus 1 by x the whole square equals to 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3 the whole square. So minus root 3 plus root 3 gets cancelled. So this becomes x square plus 2x into 1 by x plus 1 by x the whole 1 by x square equals to 16. 2 on this side you get x square plus 1 by x equals to 14. X square minus 1 by x square equals to 2 minus root 3 the whole square minus 2 plus root 3 the whole square. So a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. So this becomes 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3. So this becomes 4 and minus 2 root 3. Minus 8 root 3 is the answer.